Right, last lesson on sequences and series, arithmetic and geometric sequence combined. Very commonly asked. Right, so problem 1, they say consider the sequence. Sometimes we'll specify it's 2 sequences, times not. But as you can see, they have half, then 4, then a quarter, then 7, 1/8, 10. So it doesn't follow a pattern unless we divide them into odd terms and even terms. So every odd term, term 1, term 3, term 5, form a pattern, and every even term, term 4, which are 4, term 2, term 4, term 6, form a pattern of its own. So if we pattern continues the same way, write down the next 2 terms in the sequence. So I have half, quarter, 1/8. So there you should see 2 times 2 gives me 4, 4 times 2, 8, so 8 times 2 should give me 1/16. We look at 4, 7 and 10, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, so the next term 10 plus 3. Be very careful, so term 7 there would be a fraction and term 8 would be 13. Sometimes the order change and this value can be smaller or bigger than the value before that. So be very careful. There we got the next 2 terms. That's the basic question for 2 marks. Right, question number 2. Calculate the sum to 50 terms in the sequence. So we should remember the first half, quarter, 1/8. A is half and R is a quarter divided by half, which then gives me half. Right? For the second one, 4, 7 and 10, we know A equals 4. T is 10 minus 7 or 7 minus 4, which gives me 3. Right? So first find the sum of the geometric sequence using A, 1 minus R to the power n, 1 minus R. Take note, we don't write 50 there, it's 2 sequences. So we have 25 25 terms that are geometric, 25 terms that are arithmetic. Right, so there, half to the power 25. 1 minus, and then A also half. 1 minus half, because R is half. That side there, Sn equal n/2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Again, I have 25 terms, so 25/2. A is 4, d equal 3, and 25 minus 1 would give me 24. So sum to 25 terms, 1,000, sum to 25, 1. Get 1 mark for that, 1 mark for that, 1 there and 1 there, so that part there is 4 marks. Then we get the last 2 marks for sum to 50. We're going to add 1 plus 1,000, so that's a 5th mark. Sum to 50 terms and equal 1,001. Right, so I hope you follow and understand. Right, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Right. Now also combined, they give it a second way we test variation from the first. We have minus 3xy 25 as a sequence such that the first 3 terms are arithmetic, minus 3x and y, and the last 3 are geometric, x, y, and 25. Determine the value of x. So we separate the sequence into arithmetic and geometric. Right, so I have minus 3x and y. It's arithmetic, x, y, and 25 is geometric. So to solve unknowns for arithmetic sequence, remember it's term 2 minus term 1 equal term 3 minus term 2. So y minus x must equal x minus minus 3, which becomes x plus 3. If I make y the subject to the formula, I take negative x over, it becomes plus x plus x, then gives me 2x plus 3. For geometric, it will always be term 2 divided by term 1 equal term 3 divided by term 2. Right, so term 2 there is y divided by term 1, which is x. Term 3 is 25 divided by term 2, which is y. If I cross multiply, y times y is y squared, and 25 times x gives me 25x. Right, so if I substitute y equal 2x plus 3 to make this all only have one variable, I have 2x plus 3 squared equal 25x. Right, and yes, squaring a binomial, don't forget the middle term. So 2 times 2 would give me 4. x times x, x squared. 3 times 3 would give me 9. For the middle term, I say 2x times 3, which gives me 6x. 6x times 2 then gives me 12x. Take 25x, which is positive that side, to the other side, and it becomes negative 25x. So I have 4x squared. 12 minus 25 would give me minus 13x plus 9. So we factorize. I have 4x times 1 to give me 4x squared. Middle term is negative, last term positive, so therefore the sign is negative times negative to give me positive, and 9 times 1 to get to 9. 1 times 4x gives me 4x, 9 times x, 9x, 9x plus 4x, 13x. Stays negative. If you get stuck by this part factorizing, use the quadratic formula. So from there, x equal 9 over 4, or x equal 1. If I substitute back, 2 times 9 over 4, because x is 9 over 4 plus 3, that gives me 18 divided by 4 plus 3, which then gives me 15 over 2, or 7.5. There, x equal 1, 2 times 1, which is 2, 2 plus 3, y equal to 5. So yeah, one of the two, as I said, arithmetic and geometric, most commonly asked. Right, that is where we will conclude sequences and series as part of your classwork. Next topic is inverse functions. Right, that would be under question or topic 2. But yeah, I'm first going to jump to trigonometry. Wish you nothing but the best. I am proud of the fact that you have covered your work so far. And I know you'd be successful because you're going to continue practicing, you're going to continue persevering, you're not going to give up. Right? You're not a person that gives up, but you continue succeeding. Nothing but the best. Bye.